Welcome everyone. This is another tutorial for our students for our Safe Refuge Canva competition Australia-wide. So what we're going to do today is we are going to look at how you can put your own student voice in your movie or presentation. So you can see here, I'm trying to outline on one of my slides the actual problem. In this case, I'm looking at fires and bushfires in the Australian region. So what I've got is a nice little slide here. I might even go over to my elements. I might type in bushfires and see what comes up. We've got photos, we've got videos that we can scroll through and have a look at what's happening. Got a range of different things. I might bring in this one here. And so we'll bring in the video to make it a little bit more dynamic. It's a nice video that shows the overall. We'll make it full size. We'll go up to our three dots and we'll send that video to the back. And we might just have a play around with the graphics. You can see this doesn't really stand out, so we'll make that color a little bit lighter, that's standing out. And we might even make this little box. Here's a little pro tip. Change the transparency a little bit so that you can see the video, but you can still read the text. So you've got this nice transparent background. But that's not what today is actually about. Today is about looking at how we can put the student voice in the actual presentation. So what I'm going to do is go over to Uploads, and I'm going to click on just underneath Upload Files is a Record Yourself. Now, if we select Record a Talking Head, let's see what happens there. I'm going to click on it once. Hi, and you can see that I've popped in. So the students can actually include a little themselves in the presentation itself. So why don't I record that, and I'll go 3, 2, 1. Today's problem was bushfires. I'm about to show you all the different solutions that might help build a great safe shelter in regions of Australia that have bushfires. Let's make a start. So I've pressed done, and then I'll go up to save and exit. And today's problem was bushfires. I'm about to show you all the different solutions that might help build a great... So you can see there, we've actually put in a great little talking head. If we go over to uploads, you'll notice, if I go back here, if I go over to videos, you'll notice that we've got a little video of that as well, so that it comes through as a video itself. And you can do some other cool things. So if you don't like the talking head, you might like to go into your uploads, bring that video in. Today's problem was bushfires. I'll pause that and I'll do a remove background. Now that sometimes takes a little bit of time, but I like the talking head in the circle. I think it's a really professional look. But if you wanted to go a little bit further, you could definitely just remove the background and have that coming over the top as well. So you've got some different options in regard to what you need to do. Now, when you've finished those slides, you can do that on multiple slides. You could actually create a little talking head on the first slide, second slide, third slide, and then we know that we can go up to share and we can download that file or multiple files as a video file. And that will incorporate the bushfire video stock video in the background, and it'll also include my talking head as well. Hope that was super helpful for you. Just another way of including student voice in Canva by using a talking head in your presentation.